Church community. Any discussion of human flourishing and the common good falls short without reviewing the early church. Here, believers encounter an example of a flourishing community committed to Christ and the common good. The New Testament author Luke describes the first church in Jerusalem in Acts 2:42 through 45. And they devoted themselves to the apostles' teaching and the fellowship, to the breaking of bread and the prayers, and awe came upon every soul, and many wonders and signs were being done through the apostles. And all who believed were together and had all things in common. And they were selling their possessions and belongings, and distributing the proceeds to all as any had need. The Greek word for common is koinos, which here means belonging equally to several. The Jerusalem believers are sacrificing for each other to seek the good of their Christian community. Koinos can also mean profane or unclean. Seeking the common good is messy and challenging, yet God honors believers who care for each other. Meador points out the communal nature of the common good. The idea of a common good is that it is a good that only can be enjoyed in common with others. Together, the church body is experiencing a common life that benefits them and is a witness to their community. Acts 2:47b adds, having favor with all the people, and the Lord added to their number day by day those who were being saved. Throughout early church history, Christians demonstrated a countercultural, flourishing community that was attractive to their city. Thanks for listening to this part of my Doctor of Ministry research paper on faith and politics. So I'm trying to answer the question, how should the church and pastors make disciples in politics? Are we called to tell people how to vote? Are we called to speak up on particular issues? Or is there a different approach that we're supposed to take? I hope that you'll check out the rest of my Doctor of Ministry research paper. You can find a large part of it on YouTube. I'm recording it and uploading it. And I hope you'll like it, subscribe, and maybe share this with your pastor or church or friend. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.